Alright, we've got the Pomelo app. Looking at all the different light leaks right now. I already added a couple of them to this photo. Let's just cancel this, go back to a different photo. So this is the original photo. Let's start editing. So, like I said again, I've said this in so many videos, you should probably not pay for filters since there's so many in ridiculous quantities out there. And this is nice, it is the adjustable style, which is cool. I always prefer that to just a single filter with no options. But is this anything amazing? Not really. I mean, gosh, it just seems so much like all the other apps out there. I don't see anything that really makes this thing stand out. Some of these fades, you know, because they're quite cinematic fades, maybe the best thing this is for, in my opinion. It kind of depends on you and what you're looking for and what you want to do. But I don't know, man. If there is an editing tool out there that you guys like, let me know. It sucks when you can't adjust these that much. Yeah, I mean, the bottom line is Snapseed's probably the best thing out there. So, blur tool. Hey, it lets me do that one. Nice. Well, that adds a nice fade on there. Kind of cool. Croppy crop. Yeah, great. Sharpen, gradient, fade. Yeah, I already did play with the vignette. Temperature, saturation, tilt shift. I already did that one. Well, the tilt shift is actually the one that makes that 3D effect, isn't it? So I've seen other tilt shift things out there that doesn't let you have much of a control over it. But this one, I guess I can change the tilt shift focus wherever, you know. So, way better than some of the other options. Excuse me. Yeah. Change and enhance the hues and stuff, saturation levels, whatever you want, and brightness, contrast. Wash it out even more if you want. So I guess this isn't the worst one. I like it because I don't see millions of ads, and that seems to be one of the best things you can have nowadays is the least amount of ads. Anyways, hit me up. Tell me your favorite editing tools, guys. Leave it in the comments. Thanks.